Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change Telegram name. Let's begin the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app, then tap on the three-line icon. Then after, over here, you can see the option of My Profile. Tap on it. Then after, over here, you can see the option of like this. At the top right corner, you can see. Tap on it. Then after here, you can see your name. And there, tap on it, then change it to anything you like this, and make sure you tap on the tick icon. You can see it on your top right corner. Tap on it. There you go, your name has been changed in your Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.